What's up guys, Mixology Matt here. Today is a very special day. I'm joined by the one and only Renesha Monaco. How's it going, Renesha?
Great, thank you, Matt. How are you?
I'm doing great. And today, we're gonna be showing you how to make some amazing non-alcoholic cocktails, perfect for dry January. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's get it. What are we making today?
Today we're making one of my favorite non-alcoholic cocktails, which is called the Garden Negroni.
Amazing. And what products do we have here today?
Today we're using Noah, and we're gonna start with the Noah Garden Gin. So we're gonna use a 1.5 ounce of, can you smell this?
I really can.
It's
like a full bouquet.
So you're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of the Noah Garden Gin. Next, we're gonna use Noah's Italian Bitter. You're gonna use 1 ounce of this. And to finish it off, we're gonna use Noah's Sweet Vermouth. 3/4 ounce.
We're gonna be icing up the glass using crystal clear ice from the Ice Chef. We're gonna top this right up.
That is the clearest ice I've ever seen. It is. It's
And
true.
Let's give it a stir.
Yeah, this is so simple and so easy to batch. You can just like make a whole bunch for your guests. There we go. Look at that.
Oh, beautiful color. That looks
Wow. Gorgeous.
amazing. Okay, twist it up.
I think there's some flavor there.
Oh, 100%. A little last stir for good luck.
And there you have it, your Garden Negroni.
I'm excited to try this. Can I give it a go?
Yes.
Here we go. That gin smelled fantastic. Ooh. Wow. That is the real deal. The gin, the flavors really come through. That Italian bitter is legit.
Right?
It brings the right level of bitterness. Honestly, could have fooled me with this one. Hey, there we go. If you've never tried Noah, this is your cue to give it a go. So now we're gonna tell you about our top 3 tips to make the perfect non-alcoholic cocktails right at home.
So number 1 would be invest in really good non-alcoholic products because it really makes a difference when you're making your non-alcoholic cocktails. And don't just use pop or juice in your drinks. Those are not for adults, okay? We're grown-ups here. We want something elevated and more complex with lots of flavor.
Number 2, use good quality ice. We don't want hotel ice or really small ones that are gonna dilute our cocktail and really just not give us the texture and mouthfeel that we want in our drinks.
And number 3 is be inclusive. So whether you're hosting an event at home or you have a corporate event, make sure there's options for everyone. So that means having, non-alcoholic beer or non-alcoholic wine if you're gonna be having Prosecco in celebration. We want people to feel special and inclusive, whether they're sober or sober-ish.
Really want to underline that last part, sober, soberish, no and low. Low ABV cocktails are really hitting the market, and honestly, they're worth giving a go, especially if you can only have one drink for the night. And those are our top 3 tips. Did we miss any? Let us know in the comments below. I'm gonna be showing you my signature non-alcoholic cocktail. I'm calling this one Fleur de Passion. Are you ready to give it a go?
Oui, oui.
Let's do it. So we're gonna start again with our Noah's Italian Bitter. We're gonna do about 1 ounce of our Italian Bitter. Up next, we have Fleur Smoked Agave. It's supposed to imitate a mezcal.
Ooh.
1.5 ounces of our Fleur Smoked Agave. I've got some fresh lime juice with our friends at Juice Concepts. 3/4 ounce of our fresh lime juice. And for our sweetener, we are gonna be using the Monin passion fruit syrup. I have been loving this syrup. We're gonna match our citrus and we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of our passion fruit syrup. And for our finishing touch, we have Miss Better Bitters Vegan Foamer, 1 full dasher. So now it is time to dry shake our cocktail. Do you know why we dry shake?
So you don't dilute it.
Exactly. We don't dilute it, but also we are gonna emulsify that foamer so it gets even more foamy when it's time. You wanna do the honors?
Okay.
Okay, so you don't have to shake very hard. Just give it 4 or 5. Okay, perfect. A natural.
Yeah.
You're hired.
Yes.
There we go. We just want to
Perfect.
get some foam action. Okay, Renesha, can you ice me up here? That clear ice by the Ice Chef, for bartenders, by bartenders. My man Jonathan killing the ice game. Check him out. We are good to go. teamwork makes the dream work. Okay, here we go. We're gonna double strain. Okay, can I get even higher? Look at that. Amazing. We're gonna shake it out. Look at the color on that. Get all that foam. Do a little few taps here. Amazing. Okay, Renesha, you wanna finish us off here?
Yes.
Ooh, beautiful. And there you have it. That is the Fleur de Passion. Renesha, go ahead.
This looks so good. I already know it's gonna be incredible. You gotta be kidding me.
That one actually,
It's amazing.
I'm happy with this one.
Wow. It's really good and it's so smoky.
Honestly, I'm really happy with this product and I'm glad you like it.
It's so good. And look at that foam. I love that.
Yeah, the vegan foamer always comes clutch. Always elevates a cocktail. Thank you guys for watching. Renesha, where can we find you on Instagram?
Oh, you can follow me at Sobar Social Club Toronto on Instagram.
And as always, I'm Mixology Matt.
And he doesn't just make drinks, he makes smiles. Cheers!
Amazing.